Welcome to Stray Dog. Choose to be free. This is where you can discover the real you. You can speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. And today in Mumbai, we are turning the tables. We are talking to men about what they think of women. What do you think of women?
Say now how many websites you go to, all you know.
What? You can't say all this on camera, man.
They are hot. Some of them are.
Not all.
We do respect them, like yes, but not all of them.
कई बार सिचुएशन ऐसी हो जाती है हम लोग नहीं स्ट्रांग हो पाते तो उस टाइम वुमेन एक बहुत ही अहम रोल प्ले करती है हमारी लाइफ में एज अ वाइफ एज अ मदर एज अ सिस्टर एज अ फ्रेंड
There's always been respect for ladies in our home, but then we see a lot of bullshit happening around.
I'm more comfortable around women than I am around men. Maybe I feel safer around women.
Do you think women are complicated or is it easy for you to understand them?
Not when they're PMSing.
Sometimes they are complicated, and if we try to understand them, it becomes more complicated.
I have been in a relationship, so like it was very complicated for me to select the girl who was with me for so many years, and after like ditching me and all.
So ऐसे कौन सी situations do you face where you think that oh shit this woman is complicated?
When someone asks questions,
Who is your female celebrity crush and why?
Sunny Leon.
Why?
How can you ask a guy why?
I would prefer like Priyanka Chopra the way she has a graph moving from small town and where she's working right now in LA and what she's doing for India. That's what kind of women I would expect in my future.
Katrina Kaif was looking hot in Bar Bar, dekho.
Her personality and looks and all, they make us have a crush on her.
Yeah, the way she licks that mango in the advertisement. Lena Headey from Game of Thrones,
Yeah.
because she's attractive and just her character. I don't know about her as a person, and she's scary too. That's kind of appealing to me.
What do you think women want from men?
If I knew that, I wouldn't be single.
अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड
respect, attention.
जिससे वो अपनी सारे बातें शेयर कर सकें.
Honesty, maybe.
Women want is trust, and men basically fake that stuff.
Money and attention.
Money and attention.
I don't have anything to add.
Love, maybe. Trust.
Maybe.
What do you think men want from women?
Isn't that like obvious?
Satisfaction.
I'd rather not say it. It's going on the internet.
Why does every man just go there directly? What are you talking about? What satisfaction? Tell us.
If I say the S word, then you know.
What S word?
But if I say anything else like care or comfort or that sort of thing, that would be misogynistic. And yeah, you can't be misogynistic on the internet.
Who do you think handles their drink better, men or women?
Man, obviously.
Why obviously?
Women like have one pack, they go here and there, here and there. That's why like man drinks 7 to 8.
What if you find one girl who can drink 10 drinks? Then
Then she's a besharam.
I think women. Because men, they just want to get drunk and then like pass out or something.
They know कितना पीना है कितना नहीं. But men वो तो बस ठीक है यार भाई हैं साथ में दोस्त है हो जाएगा. But women are more concerned about themselves.
There is nothing to do with men or women. I've seen a woman who stands like a bull even after she takes a lot of shots.
so women. And आपको क्या लगता है? Do men need women in their life or they're fine by themselves?
No. Men need women. You need someone to control yourself.
At every stage we need someone. कब तक अकेले रहोगे?
कहीं ना कहीं औरतों को भी हम लोग कंप्लीट करते हैं जैसे वो हम लोगों को कंप्लीट करती है तो.
Not really, because I'm single for past 5 years. I have quite good friends, girlfriends. We go outing, we do all the stuffs like what couples do. Not the under private things.
Obviously, after wedding, if you want a family, you want a woman. That's it.
So you want a woman for a family.
Yes, that's it.
If you could say one thing right now that you can't say to a woman to her face, what would you say?
यही कि वो चिड़चिड़ी होती तो बहुत गंदी लगती है.
For people with such emotional depth, you're very bad at discussing your emotions. You all should pay your bills.
What?
Yeah, sometimes we are broke sometimes.
Stop doing shock.
Shuck.
I know I lost the keys twice in the same week. Can't work and then come home and then have to ring the bell at 11 o'clock in the night when everyone's asleep because I look like a bad person. And just give me an extra pair of the keys. I mean, is that so hard?
Does this have a name? Is it directed?
That's my mother. My mother.
And if you could give one message to all the women watching the video, what would you say?
Have a nice selection in men, because half the men, they are not just worth you.
अपने साथी पे ट्रस्ट करें भले ही वो गुस्सा रहता है फ्रस्ट्रेट रहता है लेकिन अंदर ही अंदर वो आपकी बहुत केयर करता है.
No need to stop and think about all the patriarchy, all this. Just keep going here.
You rock.
Say we're beautiful
Yeah, y'all are beautiful.
and we're smart
I can't say that. Y'all are awesome.
and we run the world.
You all do that also, okay?
Thank you.
But you all are not smart.
Hey!
You'll hear terrible things out there about guys, and I don't think you should believe them. Most of us are just bros. We wear shirts to Carter Road. We like jogging. We come to catch Pokemon. Don't believe everything you hear in the media. We're just guys, you know. We just want to be a friend.
Well, so there you have it. Those were the young men of Mumbai telling us what they think of us women. How did you like this little twist? If you liked it, comment down below. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to Stray Dog. Why do men not understand women?
Because they don't understand themselves first.
Women are complicated.
They have monthly problems, they have daily problems.
11:30 at night, I'm in my bed, she's like, hello, कहाँ है? Party करते हैं यार, chill करेंगे, आजा आजा. I'm like, अबे, सोने दे मुझे यार.